Hello guys, welcome back to the world of technology. In this video we are going to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive. If you are a PC user, this video help you very much. If you lost your Windows 10, this video help you to create another Windows 10 without help of serial key. Without wasting our time, let's start the video. Okay friends, for this first we open our Google and search Windows 10 download. After completing our search, you can see there is so many results. Click the first result. Yes friends, now you can see that download Windows 10 official page is opened here. Click the download and now button. Okay, now you see that another option is opened here. Now you take your USB and plug it on our USB port. Now you see that the USB is opened here. Please format our USB before downloading. Okay, now I completed my USB formatting. After formatting our USB, click on our previous page. Now our page is opened here. There will be a two option. Please click our mouse on the second option and click on the next button. Now you see that there is a new page is opened here. Select your language, architecture and edition. Automatically our option is filled here. If you want to make changes manually, click off the tick button and make changes. After completing our option, click the next button. Okay, now next page is opened here. Now we ensure that the downloading storage is USB. Okay, then click our next button. Now click once more, the downloading is started. Okay friends, our download is completed here. Okay, let's click the finish button. Now our USB is bootable with Windows 10. Now you can use this USB for installation of Windows 10 in any PC. Now open our this PC or my computer. You can see that in our USB a new folder or new file is downloaded here. That is our bootable Windows 10. I think you loved this video. Show your love on our like button and also subscribe our channel for more videos. Your technology is waiting for you. Bye bye. See you soon.